Welcome back, JDC family. My name is Jay. This is Amanda. This is my Diecast Creations channel. And today we are going to redraw the winners for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Now, I waited over 48 hours, guys. We're almost to 72 hours and nobody's sent me an email. So, there's nothing I'm going to do about that but choose new winners because, for the people that are actually watching the videos, and I'm not saying that, anybody's to blame for not claiming their prize, right? But I didn't put the key words of like giveaway or winner in the title for this reason. I want people that actually watch the channel to win these cars. So, we're going to redraw the winners. So, basically what I did was I went to the Road to 1,000 video. I copied the link. I plugged it in here. Filter duplicates. Include replies. I'm going to filter out keywords Road to. And we are going to go here and get YouTube comments. You want to do it? Click that.
Click that.
YouTube comments. 69 unique comments on the 1,000 giveaway. And we're going to pick a new winner. That one. Click start.
The green or the white?
The white. Good luck. Rapid Nismo. Rapid Nismo wins the 1,000 Ferrari giveaway. Rapid, you will have your choice of which one of these cars you want, and we're gonna have to talk privately about shipping because
in the UK, right?
Yeah, he's over there across the pond. We'll figure something out, man. If you want it, if not, we'll pass it on to somebody else. In that case, we're gonna pick another winner as a backup, just in case Rapid doesn't get to this within 48 hours or decides to pass it on. So pick another one.
Pick another one.
€1 Diecast Garage, and €1 is in Italy. All right, well, €1, you're the backup for the Road to 1,000. Send me, both of you guys send me an email at jaysdiecastcreations@gmail.com. It'll be down in the comments section, so you could just copy and paste the email there, and we'll figure out where we're gonna go from there.
Hold on. I think, given these circumstances, we should pick one more backup.
Okay.
Or then you're gonna have to do another video.
Yeah, we'll do another video.
Okay, we'll
That's
do another
fine.
video.
So that's for the first car. What we're going to do for the second car is I want to reward the people that have been here since the start. So I'm going to go here, back to my channel, videos. We're going to go back to the first video I ever posted. Come on.
How many videos do you have on your channel now?
I don't know, over 100, I think. Something like that. And I just started doing a 6-month wrap-up video, so that's going to be really cool for you guys to see all the cars that I built in the first 6 months. It's like almost 40 cars, or if not over 40 cars, which is crazy. Alright, so we're going to do that. We're going to copy this. Copy. And we're actually going to restart this giveaway picker thingy. It gets a little finicky from what I've been told if you don't do that. Like it'll pick.
Like close out and...
Yeah, and it'll pick like from the last video you had on there, like sometimes. So we will paste this link in here, and I'm just going to filter duplicates, and this will be for the second car. It's basically like a loyalty reward. So you can go ahead and get YouTube comments. 26 people commented on the first video I ever posted. And we're going to pick a winner from there. Good luck. Who's it gonna be? Yaya's Garage Custom Diecast. Yaya Garage Custom Diecast. Now, I haven't seen this name in a long, long time. So, Yaya, if you're still watching, send an email to jaysdiecastcreations@gmail.com. Within 48 hours of this video going up, we're going to pick a backup winner here just in case I don't hear from you.
Okay.
Yep.
Pick another.
Send it. Hewitt's Hot Wheels. Hewitt's Hot Wheels is the backup winner for the second Ferrari. So, cool. Everybody's locked in. Everybody send me an email to jaysdiecastcreations@gmail.com. The link will be down in the description. And we'll get these Ferraris going. If the Euro guys don't pony up a couple bucks for shipping or don't get to me in time, we'll redraw. Alrighty then. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.